Hello, good evening. So for today, we're going to revise Mathematics Paper 1 based on what we did on simplifying algebraic expressions. So we have a 2020 GCE exam, then you have a 2019 GCE exam to prepare adequately. I've chosen the GCE exams so as to prepare in accordance with what you can expect in an exam. So like in this case, we have simplify 2a plus b minus a, then minus 2b. So like in this case, we're going to say the first thing is we're going to bring down 2a plus, but you should assume that there is a 1 here. Whereas you need to say 1 times b, we're going to get that is a b minus 1 times a, we're going to get that is a minus 2b. So this is the first step. Then the second step, we're going to say 2a and this a are like terms. But remember, this a is together with a negative. So immediately we say 2a, we must be able to bring in clause, that is negative a, then plus, that is b minus 2b. Then in this case, we're going to say 2a minus a, we're going to be left with a single a. Then we're going to say plus. But to this b, there is a hidden 1. So I'm going to say 1 minus 2, it's going to give us a negative. Then what is common here is b. I cannot be able to say negative 1b because 1 should always be hidden. Then here I'm going to say this is going to be a, then positive times negative, this is supposed to give a negative. So the correct answer is a minus b. But what was apparently important was to understand that simplification at times is all about expansion and observing the signs, just as I have done. Then we have, that is 2019 GC exam, which says 4 minus 2, open brackets, b minus a minus 1. So I'm going to say 4 minus, but these 2 should multiply b. The same 2 should multiply a. So I'm going to say 2 multiplied by b. I'm going to say 2b. But don't forget, this negative should multiply the negative inside the brackets in order to get one sign. So negative times negative is going to give a positive. Then 2 times a is going to give 2a minus 1. Upon reaching this stage, we'll check for the like terms. 4 is a digit. The same applies to 1. So I'm going to say 4. But in this case, this one has a negative. So it's not going to change because it's not crossing any equal sign. So it will be minus 1 minus 2b plus 2a. Then this is going to become 4 minus 1 is going to give a 3 minus 2b plus 2a. This b and a are different letters. This makes these terms to be unlike. And upon reaching this stage, it means we're finished. So what was important was to understand that we expanded, and after expansion, we collected like terms together. Otherwise, make sure where you have not understood, you pause the video. Otherwise, I'm sending a question through.